Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Canon R5 Cage is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for serious Canon R5 users, offering unparalleled protection, expandability, and stability for your valuable camera. In this video, we will deep dive into the features, benefits, and considerations of various Canon R5 cages available on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to elevate your filmmaking or photography game. Number 5. SmallRig 2982B Camera Cage. This compact cage provides excellent protection for your Canon R5, R6, or R5C camera. It features numerous mounting points for accessories, making videography a breeze. It has multiple threaded holes for attaching accessories like handles, arms, and more. The top even includes a cold shoe mount for microphones and lights. A built-in spanner simplifies screw removal, and it's designed for a comfortable grip. It also slides off the side easily without removing other attachments. With strap holes on the sides and bottom, it's compatible with various straps for different shooting styles. The left side even supports a cable clamp. It features a built-in quick-release plate compatible with Arca Swiss and other systems. This allows for easy mounting onto stabilizers. Extend your shooting time with the optional SmallRig LP-E6NH battery charger set. This provides 2 rechargeable batteries and a charger for extended power. What we like. It offers extensive accessory mounting points, ensuring you're prepared for any filmmaking scenario. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip during long shoots. If you need a quick setup and takedown, its quick release plate is a game changer. What people say. It's a low-profile cage and easily grants access to the battery compartment. It also fits on my gimbal without issue. The cage does keep the hot shoe slot on the camera accessible, which allows you to mount a handle there or on the cage itself. Sufficient mount points for what I use anyway. I'm mostly still but do some sports video. Can mount an external recorder, phone mount, always have backup recording, and shotgun mic easily. Number 4. SmallRig Canon EOS R5 R6 Cage 3233. It's designed specifically for your Canon EOS R5, R6, or R5C camera. The streamlined design keeps all your camera's controls easily accessible. It has tons of mounting points. You'll find there are 1 4 to 20 and 3 8 to 16 threaded holes, plus a cold shoe mount for all your accessories. It's designed to give you full access to the battery compartment, SD card slot, ports, and all the buttons on your camera. Nothing is blocked. It securely locks onto your camera with a screw and locating pins to prevent twisting. Plus, built-in rubber pads protect against scratches. It features an integrated Arca Swiss plate for easy tripod mounting. There's even a built-in screwdriver for quick adjustments and disassembly. Extend your shooting time with the optional SmallRig LP-E6NH battery charger set. It includes 2 high-capacity batteries and a charger for uninterrupted power. What we like. This cage provides complete access to all camera controls and ports without any obstruction. The secure mounting system keeps your camera safe and stable. If you value easy access to your camera's functions and simple setup, this is the one for you. What people say. This cage has an amazing build quality and finish. SmallRig also has a huge amount of accessories to fully rig out any camera. The cage is a very well thought out design for this specific camera body. The design is slim and wraps around the camera nicely. You will have access to all the necessary ports and battery like is shown. You can open and swivel your rear LCD without interference. Fits like a glove, and better than the previous one I bought and then returned. Number 3. NICEYRIG Canon EOS R Cage 396. This cage is perfectly designed for your Canon EOS R5 and R6 series cameras. It provides excellent protection and multiple mounting points for all your accessories. It's form-fitting, so you'll still have access to the SD card slot, battery compartment, and all your camera controls. Keep shooting without interruption. With dual cold shoe mounts on top, an ARRI and 1 4 to 20 threaded holes, it's easy to add accessories like microphones, flashes, and more. Expand your creative possibilities. It securely locks to your camera with screws on the bottom and side, and features an anti-twist design for extra protection. Keep your camera safe and sound. The integrated ArchiSwiss quick-release plate makes switching between tripods and stabilizers like the DJI RS2 a breeze. Get the perfect shot, quickly and easily. Made from a solid piece of metal, it acts as armor for your camera. The rounded edges provide a comfortable and safe grip. What we like. With 2 cold shoe mounts, you can easily attach multiple accessories simultaneously. Its lightweight yet sturdy build minimizes added weight to your setup. If you prioritize a streamlined, versatile setup with quick tripod changes, this is perfect. What people say. This frame fits well and has a lot of mounting options. This is great. Just wish it had one more point of contact with the camera, making it more secure with the camera. Number 2. Tilta Canon R5 or 6 Cage Kit. It's designed to safeguard your Canon R5 or 6. This minimizes wear and tear, while providing multiple accessory mounting points. Experience enhanced control and comfort. The top handle improves handling and provides more flexible shooting options. It offers various mounting points. Use the cold shoe and 4 to 20 threaded holes to attach your accessories. Keep your cables neat and secure. It includes cable clamps to prevent accidental disconnections. It's designed for easy integration. It works with most base plates and quick release plates via 4 to 20 threads. This kit provides everything you need to protect and enhance your Canon R5 or 6. Enjoy improved stability and expandability. What we like. It acts as a protective shell for your camera, safeguarding it from bumps and scratches. The integrated top handle enhances stability and control during operation. If you're looking for robust protection and enhanced handling, this cage is a great choice. Number 1. SmallRig Canon R5 or 6 Cage 3464B. This cage provides a rock-solid foundation for your Canon R5 or R6 camera. It's designed for stability and to protect your valuable equipment during filming. Secured with a single screw and shoulder strap slots, it's incredibly stable and prevents deflection. Plus, silicone cushions protect your camera from scratches. It has tons of mounting points. Add accessories like handles, lights, and microphones with ease using its 1.4-20, 3.8-16, and cold shoe mounts. It's perfectly compatible with the Canon R5, R5C, R6, and their BG, R10 battery grips. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing setup. It features strap holes for hand straps, wrist straps, and shoulder straps. There's even a hole for a follow focus rod clamp. It's ready for any shooting style. It has a built-in ArchiSwiss plate for quick and easy mounting to your tripod. A built-in spanner makes removing screws a breeze. What we like. This cage is designed for stability, preventing any unwanted deflection during filming. It's specifically designed to work with the BG, R10 battery grip. If you need a secure and stable setup with a BG, R10, and plenty of accessory mounting points, this is the ideal option. What people say. This cage has fixed that with some integrated metal pieces. They lock it down much better as they Mamba did not have those. This cage is far more robust than I anticipated. It really secures well to the camera and can take a full rig setup easily with no bending or warping or weakness thus far. The design is well thought out, with precise cutouts that allow easy access to all buttons, ports, and the battery compartment. It fits my Canon R5 perfectly, even with the BG, R10 battery grip attached. One of the standout features is the multiple mounting points, including the integrated cold shoe mount. This makes it incredibly versatile, allowing me to attach a variety of accessories such as microphones, lights, and monitors. The cage also has NATO rails and ARRI-style mounts, which are fantastic for securely attaching additional gear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.